So we are Aquababa Attention TV so na we ligu so a wohwe. Ye nyina nim say abato be so say dia ene e press akese dia. Abemo mpanifo no e de bi tutu akwan mu ehia efrefre etoto niema e de niema tutu yie. Na ye omampani abede eche mauma do gbaumia onyonyamfo a ye papa ekufu ado oba beko na homigye mu a wono ba beji akonwa no atena so ebuga na man se ya so medwen se ya yebenya ba biada se ye niema e betete so no mauma do gbaumia na e ba bedi wo e wo ekufu ado ofiri hɔ a wono na wo prese wo ba be kira akonwa anase Ghana akonwa no so na emi se ofra ye nsentwefo nyina se wo mo hia na wo mo toto anase wo mo ni ano baba yes I questions bi wo a eye nsentwefo wo bisa na chese wo mo bisa na nse meeting na anase press ne koso no sikadie bi ekokoso na chese wo mo mama nkrofo bi bribe message obe like Attention TV Mr. subscribe my na besanso na wa sign so ahye amaye bi eye communication director woda eye MPP fo na no e de mo nkyere mu ba ye se eye Captain Smart Etionua TV ekeka se wosike twetwe bi koso enu nti no kra Captain Smart sa meeting na se press no wan fa no hwanjima wan ko bin because krodo nko ana wo mo bo information eye director no anase communication director no pa kire se wo mo efifie kire mia ewa no fo ne ade no tamale na mo kwan wa no ne epepe sika bi de momo when na Black Rasta wono de transit stay no the justice atoto na kwan wo se eye MPP aban sebi magum ho ani mo ase we kra kire se ekonwa na mo bedi moja ani sebe monsa honte na mo ba be chenkonya mo ye shame papa wono kro wonim ne ti asa eye person no wan ko bin because onim say sa sebe ne ma fun se ya na MPP for be wo hu ne MPP for eya na so mbe kanipa no atum na sebe bone ana se nkwase ade ana so man no mambu ne yi a ye nsendwafo benya hoden akani to mo dikan edi sika amom we na Black Rasta na ni abro de no me do sopo wo de to eye MPP for my inte Black Rasta emra.
Shame on Dennis Miracles Abuaje, shame on Nana Akufo-Addo, shame on Bawumia, shame on Napo, and shame on the NPP. You invited the media that is supposed to play a neutral role. You decided to give them cash. What was the cash for? What was the cash for? And you have the guts to come out and tell us, oh, you didn't give 20,000, neither did you give 10,000. It was between 2,000 and 5,000. What did you give them money for? Kelewele or for Alewa? What was it for? Now they are explaining that some people came from outside the nation. Right, in fact, outside the nation's capital, Accra. And for that matter, they have to cater for their transportation. Look, a journalist worth his salt never receives money on conditions like this. It's bribery, pure and simple. You had no business giving any journalist a penny. It's bribery. No wonder Captain Smart claiming that some people were paid 10,000 and 20,000, including people close to him and people who were working with him. It's a shame. Any journalist who took that money, bow down your head in shame. Your hands are dirty and bloody. You are a shame to journalism. I would never have attended that hanky-panky, Humpty-Dumpty press, whatever. This is not a press conference. It's a party joke and a bribery conference. My brother, my sister. And these guys also lined up and took between 2,000 and 5,000, according to Dennis Miracles Abuaje. And that is not supposed to be called bribery. So you see the kind of country they want to rule. You see the kind of governance they want to bring. If you have a certain influence, they pay you money to be able to write good things about them. And to the journalists who took the money and said, as for me, I took the money, but I'll still write the facts. Shame on you. Your hands are still bloody and dirty. Oh, what kind of a joke is this? As for Paul Adumochiri, well, the less said about Paul, the better. I mean, he's taking sides like me. I've also taken sides. What sides have I taken? I have taken sides against Bawumia and his NPP. I said if Bawumia becomes president of Ghana in the next election, I have no business living in this country. And I mean it by every little word that is uttered. Ghana knows for sure that when Black Rasta speaks, my brother, I speak with a conscience. I do not take any bribe, and it doesn't matter who gives that bribe. All the people who took the bribe, you will visit early graves, one after the other. I curse you. You are the causes of our problems in Ghana. All of you who took Baumia's money right at the party, you will die one after the other. You will visit early graves. Some of you would have hernia. Some of you will have cancer. Some of you, my brother, my sister, I curse you. You will have erectile dysfunction. I leave you here.
Medasi se utwe kwenchua. Akra.